Hi, welcome to DepoTax Accountants and Tax Consultants. If you're self-employed or planning to start your own business in the UK, one of the first questions you might ask is, what exactly is a UTR number? And do I really need to register for self-employment? In this video, I'll explain everything about the Unique Taxpayer Reference, UTR, when you need to register, the deadlines to keep in mind, and how DepoTax can help make the whole process stress-free. So let's start with the basics, which is a UTR or Unique Taxpayer Reference is a 10-digit number given to you by Revenue and Customs, HMRC for short. Think of it as your personal ID for the UK tax system. Without it, you can't properly file your tax returns, pay your self-employment taxes, or prove to banks and government schemes that you are officially self-employed. Do I need to register? So, do you need to register for self-employment and get a UTR? The answer is yes. If you've earned more than £1,000 in self-employed income between 6th April and 5th April of the last tax year, you want to pay Class 2 national insurance contributions, which count towards your state pension and certain benefits. You work under the Construction Industry Scheme, CIS, or as a share fisher. Or you simply need to prove your self-employed status for things like childcare claims or financial services. If your earnings are below £1,000, you might not be required to register, but many still do, especially if they plan to keep trading. Now, let's talk about the timings. When do you need to register? You must register for self-employment by 5th October in your second tax year of trading. Here's an example. If you started your self-employment between 6th April 2024 and 5th April 2025, your deadline to register is 5th October 2025. Missing this deadline can result in penalties, so it's very important to register on time. So registering is done online through HMRC. Here's how it works. First, create a government gateway ID and password. Secondly, complete the online registration form with your personal and business details. And then HMRC will send your UTR by post, usually within 15 working days in the UK or 21 if you're abroad. Once you have your UTR, you'll use it for all future tax returns and communications with the HMRC. At DepoTax, we know tax registration can be very overwhelming, especially if you're new to self-employment. That's why we offer full support too. With DepoTax, you don't have to worry about missing deadlines or dealing with the HMRC alone. We take care of the paperwork so you can focus on growing your business. So if you're self-employed and you don't know where to start, or if you simply want a peace of mind, get in touch with us today. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more guide from DepoTax Accountants and Tax Consultants. This is DepoTax, making tax simple for you.